Make sure you stay tuned in. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you have a Dodge Charger, you need to find the fuse for the rear left stop light, brake light. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. We will mention 3 mistakes people make when replacing fuses or relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages and loss of time, guys. In addition, we will explain where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. Check out the whole video, guys. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll share very helpful information today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. Most people, what they will do, they will, guys, open the hood on the Dodge Charger, and whether you have a V6, V8, it will work the same. Specifically, we have a 2018 model. Hopefully, most people will hope that the fuse is in that fuse box that's easily accessible, but it's not here. You have a hidden fuse box, and it's for the body control module. But let me tell you one thing. If you guys replace the fuse for the rear left stop light, brake light, and it still doesn't work, it could be a bad light. We'll have a video how to test the brake light. But also, guys, if you just one of them not working, it may be the body control module deactivating that function, and you may need a scanner diagnostic tool like that that can access practically every computer system in your car. It can read the codes, delete the codes, and in addition you can even see live data with that thing. It works on almost any car you can think of. We will put, guys, the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and feature. Check it out. On these new cars, you may end up having up to 50-60 different computers like that BMW. That Dodge specifically probably has about 30, so a tool like that is a must when working, guys, on vehicles nowadays. So what do you guys need to do? You need to open the trunk on your Dodge Charger. Once you do that, you need to leave the trunk liner right here, that's on the bottom, and once you do that, you will get to the spare tire and the car battery. Now, 3 common mistakes people here often make, guys. 1, it's almost always recommended to disconnect the car battery when replacing fuses and relays, especially for the important ones. Otherwise, you can cause damage to electrical components, modules, computers, and that can, guys, could cost you quite a bit of money to fix. Number 2, another common mistake. Most people do not know that, but it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. Otherwise, if you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics, modules. How we guys know about that? We actually made that mistake and we burned the airbag module computer on Mercedes C-Class, and that repair itself, that new computer, cost us $2,000. So there is a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. Very important thing. Next, the fuse box is right here. You can see all we need to do, press right here, okay, lift up like that, okay, and flip it open. That's where the fuses and relays are, and that's where the third mistake comes as well, guys. So you can see we have different kind of fuses, relays. Common mistake people make here, they do not test fuses and relays. But fuses, what they do, they usually try to see through the glass and find out if the fuse is good or bad. We have had so many customers come to the garage, guys, okay, where they cannot fix certain problems. They bought parts, they replaced multiple parts, they wasted their time, they said the fuse was fine, and when we checked actually and we tested the fuse, it was blown. So by not testing the fuse, sometimes you may think you install a good fuse in the car, it's actually a bad fuse, and that way you will waste your money and time, guys. So always test fuses, relays. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. So which fuse we need to check now? If we come right here, we'll be on the very top row, you can see right there, and even if you have a missing fuse, you still count that fuse, guys. Will come from the very left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th fuse from left to right, but whoever named that thing, it's actually known as fuse number F7, but it's actually the 6th fuse. We grab it with the fuse puller and we pull it out. Now, if you need to buy a replacement one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get a cheap fuse for a good price and quick shipping. Check it out. Don't forget to install the new one. Make sure everything's aligning. Close your cover, and if the brake light on the left side doesn't still work, you may need to test the brake light itself, or you may need to reset the computer, guys, because sometimes the code will prevent it from working. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.